To set corner action for top left, to do the swipe up function in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stop. Under corner action section, tap top left. Scroll down the screen and then tap the gray on off switch next to swipe up to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Next, connect a USB or Bluetooth mouse with your phone. Once done, as the example, we will use it to go to the app screen. To do so, go to your home screen. Hover and stop your mouse pointer on the top left corner of the screen. And then bring the pointer to do swipe up and open up the app screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.